If you've ever tried using a small portable grill only to end up fighting uneven heat, constant flare-ups, or a setup that feels way too flimsy for real outdoor cooking, you're definitely not alone. A lot of compact charcoal grills look great online, but once you actually start grilling, they struggle with temperature control and durability. That's why the Onlyfire Grill's charcoal Bbq Hibachi grill is interesting. It takes a more traditional Japanese-style approach to charcoal cooking while still staying portable enough for camping, patios, picnics, and backyard grilling. You can find a direct link to this product right in the description. This grill is really aimed at people who care about authentic charcoal flavor but don't necessarily want a huge backyard smoker taking up space. Whether you're cooking skewers at a campsite, grilling meat on a balcony, or putting together a casual outdoor dinner with friends, the goal here is simple. Give you a compact tabletop grill that still feels solid and enjoyable to cook on. And honestly, compared to many portable grills in this price range, this one feels much more focused on the actual cooking experience instead of just portability. The first thing that stands out is the ceramic clay construction. Most portable grills rely on thin metal that loses heat quickly and creates inconsistent cooking zones. This one uses thickened ceramic clay, and that changes the way heat behaves entirely. Once the grill heats up, it retains temperature surprisingly well and distributes heat more evenly across the cooking surface. In real-world cooking, that means fewer burnt spots, more consistent grilling, and food that stays juicier instead of drying out too quickly. Visually, it also has a very authentic Japanese tabletop grill aesthetic. The shape is simple and compact, but the ceramic body gives it a more premium and traditional look compared to standard camping grills. The wooden handles are another nice touch because they make moving the grill much safer and more comfortable once things heat up. It feels thoughtfully designed for actual outdoor use rather than just trying to look stylish in product photos. One feature I genuinely appreciate is the included grid lifter. It sounds small, but if you've ever grilled with charcoal before, you know how annoying it can be to adjust coals or add charcoal mid-cook without burning yourself or disrupting the entire cooking process. The lifter makes that much easier and less stressful, especially during longer cook sessions. Combined with the bottom ventilation system, you actually get decent control over airflow and cooking temperature without needing complicated adjustments. Performance-wise, this grill delivers where it matters most. It heats up relatively quickly, holds temperature well, and creates that authentic smoky charcoal flavor people usually struggle to get from gas grills. Skewers, steaks, burgers, vegetables, and even smaller cuts of chicken cook evenly once the ceramic body fully warms up. And because the grill retains heat efficiently, it doesn't burn through charcoal as aggressively as thinner steel grills that constantly lose temperature. That becomes especially useful during longer outdoor cooking sessions. Another thing worth mentioning is how naturally this grill fits into smaller outdoor spaces and casual routines. Not everyone wants to deal with a giant smoker or a full-size backyard grill every time they want charcoal flavor. This works much better for apartment balconies, small patios, camping trips, beach cookouts, or even quick weekend grilling sessions. It's portable enough to carry around comfortably while still feeling stable and durable once set up. Now, to keep things balanced, there are definitely a couple of trade-offs here. First, ceramic construction requires a little more care compared to stainless steel or cast iron grills. It's durable under normal use, but you probably don't want to throw it around carelessly during transport. Also, because this is a more compact tabletop grill, cooking space is naturally limited compared to larger charcoal setups. It's excellent for small groups, couples, or casual grilling sessions, but probably not ideal for large parties. Compared to similarly priced portable charcoal grills, though, the Onlyfire stands out because it focuses heavily on heat retention and cooking consistency rather than just lightweight portability. Many budget portable grills feel disposable after a season or two. This one feels more refined and intentionally designed around authentic grilling performance. If flavor, even cooking, and compact convenience matter more to you than maximum cooking space, it offers really solid value. Overall, this is a great fit for campers, apartment dwellers, patio cooking enthusiasts, and anyone who wants authentic charcoal grilling in a smaller, more manageable setup. It's compact, practical, and surprisingly enjoyable to cook on once you get everything heated properly. If that sounds like the kind of grill you've been searching for, check the link in the description before grilling season pushes stock lower. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more honest outdoor gear and product reviews focused on real-world performance instead of overhyped marketing claims.